now in the finals, pero grabe rin yung laban nyo against Kurashiki. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng team?
Ito always kung sinasabi na very thankful. Pero ngayon, talagang sobrang thankful kasi syempre, Japan team yung tinalo namin, defending champion pa. So, we're so lucky din and so blessed na we have import and then libero na buti na lang nakahabol si Don. Napakalaki ng impact niya sa amin. Grabe, kung makikita niyo naman, kahit di na ako magsalita, grabe yung naging performance. So, yeah, sobrang happy and blessed talaga. So, yun.
You had 27 excellent digs in this game. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team na nag-stick talaga kayo even though dikdikan yung laban?
Siyempre, very proud ako sa team and yung gigil ko kanina, ano yun, naipon kasi, alam mo yung pag nanonood ka ng game from the outside, tapos hindi ka makalaro, hindi ka makakontribute, parang ngayon ko binubuhos lahat yun, yung gigil ko. And thankfully, nag-result ng maganda.
And MJ, in this game, you had 36 points.
Your age?
So I guess what was your motivation coming into this game to help the team get this win?
Of course, we want to win. We are so happy that we get this win, especially that we have done now. It's a huge contribution for the team, and of course I'm motivated because I want we got this this chance to play the final. Our team deserved this.
Of the last conference, how fulfilling is it to somehow get a step closer to redemption after a painful few weeks for the team?
Ako, dahil nga andito na kami, we have a chance to fight with Signal in this conference. Talaga, igagrab na namin yung opportunity and hindi namin bibitawan to.
Yes.
Of course, it's a huge opportunity. We have the second chance to face Green Line, and we are very excited for tomorrow, of course. It has been hard, but we are here and we work hard to be here. So we will fight for it.
And MJ and Don the day against Coach Shaq's team before.
Now we will.
Now you're all in the same
Yes.
team. So how important will that experience be coming into tomorrow's game?
Playing next to Don is so. I feel so confident when I'm with her in the court. And back in times when we won the championship, it was a great experience. Of course, now we combine all the powers.
Yes.
But very excited for this opportunity to play the final again.
Yes. Ako siguro, yung championship experience namin ni MJ ni Coach Shaq, dadalhin namin yun bukas para ma-share sa team and maangat pa yung team para talagang tuloy-tuloy kami hanggang dulo.
Into tomorrow na kumbaga yung Cream Light kasi inaabot nila yung Grand Slam. So parang kayo, to play spoiler, parang gano'ng kalaking boost lang to lahat na.
Siyempre, sobrang laking impact nito sa amin. Especially yung lagi naming goal every conference. And siyempre, imagine na pumasok kami ng finals ngayon. And Japan ba yung natalo namin. So, for us, napakalaking impact nito. And yung confidence din namin na talagang mas tumaas kasi talagang nasa proseso talaga kami. Laging more on process talaga, tinatsaga namin. Through ups and down, talagang tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So, eto na. For me or for us, talaga gagrab namin ito talaga and we're so excited na maglaro para tomorrow.
Saka yun nga, Coach, in the past few days, dumating na nga si Don at si Vanny. Siguro gano'ng kalaking moral boost lang din yun sa team na kumbaga, nandiyan ulit sila, dalawa.
Again, sobrang laki ng impact nila sa amin kasi alam namin kasi yung pwede pang magawa ng team, especially pag nandyan sila. And we're so lucky na umabot din yung time na makapaglaro, especially sa crucial moment namin. na ayun nga, sobrang ganda naging performance, and yeah, sobrang happy, and yeah, i-enjoy lang din talaga namin yung championship tomorrow. Thank you!
Thank you!
Good night!